Are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 7 seed Calabar High from St. Andrew up against number 58 seed Jonathan Grant High from St. Catherine. This is School's Challenge Quiz. Calabar High is represented this evening by C.J. McCalla, Matthew Aiken, Kobe McKnight, and team captain Toby-Ann Dreckett. While Jonathan Grant High is represented by team captain Armani Rule, Santoya McClarty, Horatio Brown, and Janelle Johnson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to this 24th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Calabar High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Calabar High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. So please, may I have that time on the clock? Calabar Chemistry, what is the symbol and atomic number for the element vanadium?
V23.
Very good. Chemistry for Jonathan Grant. What is the symbol and atomic number for the element manganese?
Mn25.
Mn25.
Very good. Local affairs are visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Dr. Norman Dunn. Dr. Norman Dunn.
Member of Parliament. That's right. Local affairs are visual for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Shiny Robinson.
Shiny Robinson.
Also an MP. Mathematics for Calabar. Which law of arithmetic is demonstrated in the expression A plus B equals B plus A?
Commutative.
That's right. Mathematics for Jonathan Grant. A right-angled triangle has the smallest side equaling 6 meters and the smallest angle equaling 37 degrees. What is the approximate length of its hypotenuse?
36 centimeters.
Incorrect. 10 meters. Music and audio for Calabar. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer, please.
Go ahead.
That's right. Music and audio for Jonathan Grant. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song, please.
Malibu.
That's right. History for Calabar. The Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS, was established in what year?
1981. 1981.
Good. History for Jonathan Grant. By which treaty was the OECS established in 1981?
Treaty of Basseterre.
Basseterre is correct. Theatre and cinema are visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Harrison.
Incorrect. Ava Longoria. Theatre and cinema for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Salma Hayek.
Salma
Hayek.
Salma Hayek.
Good. Physics for Calabar. What is the specific name of the upward force that opposes the weight of an object immersed in a fluid? Or buoyancy. Correct. Physics for Jonathan Grant. What is the name for the region of space surrounding a body in which another body experiences a force caused by the first body?
Vacuum.
Incorrect. A field. Sport or visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Simone Biles.
Gymnast. Right, that's right. Sport for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Gabriel Douglas.
Gabriel Douglas.
Gabby Douglas. That's right. Spanish for Calabar. What does tener prisa mean?
To be in a hurry. To be in a hurry.
Good. Spanish for Jonathan Grant. What is the English translation for lo siento mucho?
Lo siento mucho. Lo siento mucho. Much. Much windy. Very windy, very windy.
Very windy.
I am very sorry. Geography for Calabar. What name is given to lines on a map that join points of equal salinity?
Isohaline. Isohaline.
That's right. Geography for Jonathan Grant. What name is given to a line on a map connecting points that have the same average percentage of cloudiness?
Isonef.
Good. Bible knowledge. Calabar. In what book and chapter of the Bible is the verse Jesus wept?
St. John 11.
That's right. Bible knowledge for Jonathan Grant. In what book and chapter of the Bible is the verse, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth?
Genesis 1.
That's right. Biology. At how many weeks old is a human embryo officially recognized as a fetus?
8 weeks.
Good. Biology for Jonathan Grant. What is the name that biologists use for the process which laymen refer to as survival of the fittest?
Natural selection.
Natural selection.
Very good. And that's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Calabar High on 11 points, Jonathan Grant just behind on 9 points. It's time to pause now for this evening's second Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category General Knowledge. The question is, after whom is the international airport in Barbados named? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz 50 returns after these messages.